Hi, we're back here with the Singer 500J, Gina. And the first thing we're going to do today is we are going to clean off the worm gear on this PA motor. And then we'll go up top after we get this rinsed in oil. We'll set it aside, let it soak in for a minute or two or a few minutes, and then we'll go up top and we'll take a look at the Bobbin Winder system up there and look at the top situation. After we get this oiled, we'll talk about the electrical for a little bit. There's an unusual situation here that we should take advantage of. So anyway, let's get, oopsie daisy. Let's get in here and this oil container is almost empty. So I took the little hose application off of it. And so we'll rub that with a toothbrush. What's going on down here? We can get it in there too. We're not going to hurt anything, I don't think. No, we're not. So we're going to get this on. And then let it sit. So I'll move that out of the way. With reference to this, and this is one thing we're always kind of, one of the reasons we're always checking out machines when we bring these strange machines into our workshops or houses or studios or whatever. Here's the deal. If you look right in here, move this light over, we see that there are 3 pins. 1, 2, 3. We also see that there was a 4th, and it was clipped off. It was cut off, like pinched off. And then when we go back here and check out the wires, this black and red wires, they came from the PA motor. This red wire goes up to the light, and this yellow thing used to go in right here. And what somebody did was, this used to be thin, and what somebody did was they widened it out so that this would no longer fit on it. So I'm gonna, I have the wiring diagram with the service manual that I have over there, and so that'll be another day's work. We'll find out what's going on there. I've never plugged this machine in, so that's what we're going to do. That's what's going on down here now. We'll see if we can get that. I don't know if we can get it all the way through. Let me back up a little here so you can see what I'm doing. There. Now we're going to go. There, I can put that like that. We're going to go up top. Let's bring that down. If I had that right about there somewhere, that looks like it might work out not too badly, doesn't it? And maybe take her back a bit so that I can get at it with the light. Bring the lens in a little closer on the telephoto. Okay. Where's my screwdriver? Right there. We're going to take this screw, undo this screw, and we're going to undo this screw. And in each of these contraptions, there's a spring. So we'll do this one first. There, that cracked. Let's see if we can crack this one at the same time just to get it loosened. Yep. Let's go with this one. Now we know there's a spring in here. And there it is. And a washer. And a screw. Oh, I hid it from you. I didn't show you the washer and the screw, did I? I know I'm really bad at not zooming out and stuff. So there's the spring. Very simple, delicate affair. And then there's the washer and a screw and that thing. The bobbin trigger, I guess I could maybe call it. So we're going to put these parts in here. And likewise, that is what I didn't want to happen. Luckily for me, I have my handy magnetic device, and the spring just fell on the floor, and I have recovered it. Wow, that's like real life restoration drama. So that's the parts for that. It's got the wheel, which is soaked in gunk. Look at the filth coming off of that. That's all dirty too. So there's another screw there. We might look at that later. That's got to be cleaned in there too. And then there's that. So there's all those parts for the bobbin winder. Put them in this bag. And then we'll just close it and we'll set it aside. And now what we're going to do is we're going to get our oil containers and we're going to start cleaning up here a bit. And we're just going to go a little bit, yeah, we'll go a little bit hog wild. Even the stuff we're not working on will oil. We're going to get in, you know what, we're going to put it up right. Again. Oopsie daisy. And then what we'll do is, bear with me, you guys. Sometimes we got to do this stuff on the fly. Okay. We getting there. We getting there. Let me zoom in a little. And then we'll just start soaking it with oil. First of all, we're going to shake this up. There, and that'll run all the way down, right through to the bottom. I expect it's getting a little bit, drop or two has made it down. Let's see what's going on. See if any oil made it through. See, yeah, some oil made it through. Right there. I also want to put a little bit of oil in there. And there's another one. Where's the one down here? There it is there. Move that out of the way. There. Yeah, why drop it once when you can drop it twice? I know. Okay. Let's bring this back in. That is getting cleaner. So I'm going to work on that. I'm going to move the sewing machine out of the way and get a garbage bag and put it down because I'm going to really scrub hard. But that's today's video. We got the bobbin winding gear off and out of the way. We've soaked the top there with oil. We're going to work on the shaft, the camshaft, the horizontal arm shaft, and we're also going to do the hand wheel gear and all that stuff. So thanks for watching. I hope you found this useful. Please like if you like it. If you're interested in the videos that I do, subscribing would be greatly appreciated support. Also, you can turn the little sound notification off so that when there are new videos published on Sundays and Wednesdays, it'll come heads up for you. So that's it for today. And thank you for visiting. And take care of yourselves, be safe, and have fun, and learn. Ciao.